In terms of Trustworthy AI, I was a member of the EU's high-level group on AI that was established in 2018 to create ethical guidelines for the development of and deployment of AI in Europe. And we published the ethics guidelines in 2019. And based on this work that we did, of course, everything developed in the EU in terms of we got the proposal on an AI Act, a regulation, and at the same time, a larger project was established by the EU's foreign policy instrument, which is called the International Outreach for a Human-Centric Approach to AI, which I got involved in 2021, which is basically set in place to support the European Commission in engaging with international partners on trustworthy AI, positioning the EU and promoting this trustworthy AI approach, this human-centric approach to AI all over the world, and preparing for a global coalition building in the field. And so I got involved in that as a senior key expert, and so from moving from a more regional perspective, also moving more into the global perspective on AI, dealing with multilateral and bilateral engagement on this topic. Trustworthy AI we have actually defined in the high-level group as something that is built on some ethical requirements, which are also being translated and was translated into the AI Act. So there's things like data governance, there's human agency, there's social, environmental well-being, different areas that are to be in place when you're building and adopting and designing an AI system to make sure that actually the people that this is deployed on, or in the environment that it's deployed in, can trust that these technologies are built with these aims in place. Trustworthy AI is basically built on three principles. It has to be lawful, it has to be ethical, and it has to be robust. Those were the principles that we developed in the high-level group on AI, and those are the principles that basically the entire legal framework and the cultural approach and the social approach that we have in Europe is based on.